Hi, I'm Lance Pace. I'm the principal of Imagine Lincoln. KOFA is a staple here within the school community, and the students look forward to participating in all the activities. They actually do a whole lot for the school in terms of supporting climate, culture, character, behavior. They are poetic with a hip-hop flair. The Imagine Charter School Network is really big on our shared values, and the shared values are integrity, justice, and fun. The shared values are something that you can hear, they're something that you can see, and they should be something that you can feel when you walk into the building. So they're abstract and concrete all at the same time. The KOFA organization, one of the things that they do is that they emphasize one shared value in particular, and that shared value, in my opinion, is justice. Justice is the shared value that talks about meeting students where they are, giving students what they need, differentiating your approach to connect and help students become successful. And so the creativity within KOFA embodies this particular shared value by connecting hip hop, character, culture together into one.
My name is Darius Pugh. I'm a physical education teacher here at Imagine Lincoln, and I'm also the CEO of Clan of Futuristic Artists. And what we plan to do is model or showcase hip hop through our art. And it's for kids, by kids. It all came about when I was trying to find a need in the community to give back to the community, having shows for kids, by kids. So today's event was about two entities coming together to create a coalition, Clan of Futuristic Artists and 11-to-1 Dance Academy coming together to start the K11 coalition. Expectations were met. Everybody left it all on the floor. Everybody had fun. And I told everybody to show them what everybody's been working hard for. So that's all I could really ask for. The future for KOFA here at Imagine Lincoln is to spread it to others. I want this to go beyond just Imagine Lincoln. I want it to go worldwide. People have been taking the fun out of life in general, in schools and life in general. So I feel like kids and nowadays, teenagers nowadays need to find ways to express themselves, whether it be through drawing, whether it be through rapping, whether it be through singing, whether it be through dancing. You never know, but everybody has a gift and a way to express it. So that's my goal in life. Something like this will help bring people, kids of all ages, people of all ages together, and that's what's more important for me. The shared values that were portrayed today were integrity and fun. I would say integrity because integrity means to pretty much be who you are when nobody's looking. This is who we are when the crowd is looking, when our parents are looking, teachers, when everybody's looking, this is who we naturally are. I'm naturally always vibrant, looking around, active, optimistic. Also, I say fun because when I was explaining fun, it's that everybody gets to enjoy it. Not just Clan of Futuristic Artists had fun, but also 11-to-1 Dance Academy had fun. And we all came together. That's the most important thing.